Welcome back to Motor Authority, a Philippines rocket the channel where power meets precision, and we bring you the latest, boldest, and most exciting vehicles in the world. Today, we're diving into something futuristic, powerful, and downright aggressive, the Rocket 2026. This isn't just a car. This is a mechanical beast engineered for performance, sculpted in luxury, and born from racing heritage. Now, before we go into the specs, let's understand what makes the Rocket 2026 different. Built by Brabus, a name already synonymous with performance tuning and aggressive design, the Rocket series has been their flagship for delivering top-tier, street-legal hypercars. And in 2026, Brabus has taken things to another level. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition. At first glance, the Rocket 2026 looks like it came straight out of a cyberpunk film. The design is sharp, angular, and muscular. Every line, every vent, every scoop serves a purpose. This car isn't about looking pretty, it's about cutting through air like a missile. From the wide fenders to the extended front splitter, down to the massive rear diffuser and the carbon fiber wing, this car screams aerodynamic dominance. Under the hood, or more accurately, in the engine bay, lives a heavily modified 4.5-litre twin-turbocharged V8. Brabus took Mercedes-AMG's already fierce engine and rebuilt it into something monstrous. This power plant delivers an astonishing 900 horsepower and around 1,250 Nm of torque, electronically limited to preserve drivability and prevent the tires from disintegrating. You heard that right, a limited torque to prevent the car from shredding its own rubber. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a reinforced 9-speed transmission. It's lightning fast, responsive, and precise, exactly what you need when you're pushing this car from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. And the top speed? An eye-watering 330 km/h. That's not just fast. That's fighter jet runway fast. And just in case you're wondering, yes, say it's road legal. Brabus made sure the Rocket 2026 meets the strictest emissions and safety regulations while still delivering race car level performance. That's a rare balance. Now let's talk presence. The Rocket 2026 doesn't whisper at roars. The quad exhaust setup isn't just for looks. It produces a guttural, deep exhaust note that rumbles through your chest. Whether you're revving at a stoplight or blasting down the highway, this car demands attention. And honestly, you're not going to drive this to blend in. Step inside and you're met with an interior that blends motorsport minimalism with luxury craftsmanship. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather dominate the cabin. Every surface feels premium, every control within reach, every button has purpose. The seats hug you like a racing harness, but with comfort to match a high-end executive saloon. Of course, there's a fully digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, but Brabus didn't overload it with tech. The idea here is simple: the car should serve the driver, not distract them. Everything is built around that single principle: a total focus and control. In the Philippines, a car like this is ultra-rare. With only a limited number of Rocket 2026 units being built globally, just seeing one on our roads is like spotting a unicorn. And for those who can afford it, the Rocket isn't just a mode of transport, it's a statement. It's about showing that you respect engineering, love speed, and crave exclusivity. Let's also talk about the pricing. As expected, it doesn't come cheap. We're talking about a hyper-luxury, high-performance, limited production car. The Rocket 2026 commands a price north of 40 million pesos. Yes, that's a huge sum, but in the world of elite performance vehicles, it's right where it should be. You're not just buying a car. You're buying an experience, a work of art, and a slice of automotive history. What's even more exciting is how this car redefines the concept of what's possible for the road. While electric vehicles are taking center stage globally, the Rocket 2026 reminds us there's still something visceral and emotional about internal combustion: the roar, the rumble, the raw energy. It's a farewell love letter to petrol heads, and we're here for it. So, who is this car really for? It's for the bold. The collectors. The power-hungry drivers who want to feel every heartbeat of the machine under their control. It's for those who believe cars should be wild, dramatic, and unforgettable. Whether you're a billionaire collector, a weekend racer, or just a hardcore fan of automotive craftsmanship, the Rocket 2026 commands your attention. At Motor Authority Philippines Rocket, we celebrate machines like these. Because they push boundaries, break rules, and inspire future innovations. And in a world increasingly focused on playing it safe, the Rocket reminds us that sometimes, the thrill of speed and design should be unapologetic. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and let us know in the comments if you had the chance, would you take the Rocket 2026 for a spin through Elsa traffic, or unleash it on the open highways of Luzon? Thanks for watching. This is Motor Authority Philippines Rocket, and we'll catch you in the next launch.